Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Juba here, man. It's a Sunday, you know what I'm saying? As you guys know, the market is opening tonight. Monday morning, the market is opening. So I hope you're ready for the market, right? Don't drink and trade. You know what I'm saying? Don't sleep outside and expect to trade as well in the morning, because the market needs you when you still have focus in your mind. All you need to do on Sundays is to sleep, wake up, and eat. This is how you get ready for the market on Monday. As you know, guys, you have to be already look at the market on Sunday so that you already know the good picture for the market as soon as the market open on Monday. You must already know which pair to focus on as soon as the market open, or which pair which is not ready to be taken. So as me here, I already look at, I want to share this pair with you guys. You know what I'm saying? You guys are my family, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take a look. I just woke up now. I was looking at a UD you know what I'm saying? UD is about to do something, you know what I'm saying? It's about to do something. As I saw, you know me and you guys, with family, you know what I'm saying, like this, I always share the whole secret with you guys. But listen, if you're not the channel, man, and you feel like you want to join this channel, you know what I'm saying, if you is your first time to this channel, I hope you saw me today. But if you didn't subscribe though, you will never see me again. But once you subscribe and hit the notification, you're going to be seeing me every single day upload the new tip. You will learn a lot from this channel. I teach a lot from this channel. I give different strategies, and I say, so yeah, do the right things. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to like the video, and let me share this secret with you guys. And for this who wish to join the team tomorrow Monday, guys, you know, we're going to be killing the market in a team. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do. You know what I'm saying? Not playing around, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is always on description below. So let's get the video. Let's see what's about to happen to the to KD. Which pair is that? Which pair was that? Which pair was that? Let me check which pair was that. Let me check which pair was that. That pair was AUD yeah. AUD is about to do something. When I say AUD is about to do something, so let's check it. Let's check what's about to happen right now. So as you can see here, guys, we have AUD, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, guys, this is the secret, guys, that I'm about to share with you right now, you know what I'm saying? And keep this in mind, right? As you can see, guys, I've been looking at this this trade, and I've been patient for a while, you know what I'm saying? As you can see here, AUD has been bouncing to the zone right here. You can see gave us first touch to the zone and second touch to the zone, and then drop, you know what I'm saying? And end of the day, guys, came back to the zone right here, you can see. And after the market came back to the zone, it did break out, you know what I'm saying, to the zone, and then I've been waiting for the retest, and then it came back, you know what I'm saying, and came back again to the zone here, and then, you know, it's been doing this kind of stuff. But guys, you can see what I put it my you see my entry point. You see the this number right here, number 089428. This is what I was like, yo, listen, once the market reaches this point, I'm gonna enter with the buyer, you know what I'm saying? And my stop loss, it's gonna be somewhere here. My stop loss was gonna be somewhere here, you know what I'm saying? But after like Friday, I didn't trade this market, you know what I'm saying? I just find this market like now. I didn't trade this market because it was still at this point right here. But seems like when the market was about to close, then the market decided to continue on uptrend. So now, as you can see, if you know, you know. As you can see here, guys, if you know, you know, the market now, sorry, let me clear the chart. the market now, guys, we expect, you know what I'm saying, a big move as a buyer, you know what I'm saying. And if they didn't give the move, the buyer move, like a big move as a buyer, bro, no way out. But this is what we expect. We expect the market to go on uptrend all the way. This is going to be the first take profit right here. I counted was something about 150 pips here, 150 pips. Also, let me check, let me show you guys, let me show you guys real quick. Also, I always, this is how I do, guys, I always confirm my my trades from the price action to my mobile strategy, you know what I'm saying. Also, you can see that my mobile strategy at this point, if I was allowed, I was gonna take this this trade, it was already say that it's time to buy the currency, you can see. So now we got, if we enter this market, we're going to exit at this point right here. As you can see, the mobile strategy also says that it's time to buy this currency. So if you want this mobile strategy, you can check my previous video. I already shared everything, and I say